Oh wait, it hasn't been recording this whole time.
I've been recording.
Okay, good.
Alright, good job, good job. Alright, Eagle Grunts to the left of us. Get him now, get him.
I almost just shot you in the head. Yeah.
Nice.
Ding 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 chang chang ding it dong dong ding dong.
No kick, I swear if you don't get kills you're gonna be bullied like
Yeah, I'm not
boys.
getting any kills. My KD is
You're
gonna
gonna
be
be
right.
bullied.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Keep
Blue
holding up
green
there,
is
keep
me.
holding up
5-7
there.
is the best pistol in the game.
I have a bomb. I'm gonna go apartments.
Not close.
I'm gonna throw a flash banana though to make him think I go over there.
Okay.
Going
Yeah.
apartments through mid, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, where are you at apartments? One going for mid. Oh no. I wasn't gonna make it.
Action.
That
I
was
wasn't
my
gonna make it.
I planted for
I have bomb.
So they're smart. It looks like they split up. So if I think we just push.
just stick
Wait,
here.
someone buy me a gun? Someone buy me a gun?
I can only buy your Beretta.
Hey,
What gun
boys,
do you
let's
want?
get
I have money. I
get
have
an
money.
SMG
What
or
gun
something.
do you
Let's go.
want? What gun do you
Let's
want?
go.
What do you want?
It'll
Here,
work.
take this.
Anything.
What are we
Thanks.
doing?
Thanks, dude.
We're
Yeah,
doing
no problem.
because all they do is split up. On after that. We can perhaps.
I hear someone on the right.
That's not good. Wait.
Don't worry, boys.
Yeah, they're going.
No! I pressed the wrong button! I pressed the wrong button! I pressed 2 instead of 1!
Dang it, I knew he was
Oh, I
on
knew he was behind us too. I knew he was behind us.
Only if I pressed 1! Only if I pressed 1 and I planted it, I died, and the bomb would have been planted. You would have had enough time to go get
We
him.
might have had clippers at that point.
No, we died. It didn't matter. Don't put it to our own stuff. I have bomb. Somebody get over.
This
Somebody
is
get
how
try
we
to
get raped every time.
Okay, I
This
got a
game
frag.
is still very winnable.
Does anyone have a grenade?
Yep, I
If
do.
not, we can push
I'm
apartments.
not buying
What do you want me to do with it?
I think
Throw
I'm
a banana, try to
gonna
get
like
behind those
extra
crates.
stress myself
Okay.
out by trying to enter
Just
So eat that bad boy.
Oh.
oh,
Well, you come
Tommy!
I tanked all of that.
Flash, flash, flash.
It's a name. No.
Good job, Eagle.
No, this is gonna be drive me.
Yeah, we're gonna die. Grab bomb. And below you.
That was game.
What's your Steam? Joe, what's your Steam? Joe, what's your Steam? I can get it for you. Joe,
No,
get you.
it's fine.
Joe, I have $55 million, Joe. I can get you.
Are we pushing
Yo,
apartments or are we
man.
going the other way? Banana.
Apartments.
Banana toes.
Okay.
Yummy.
I'm gonna lag behind with an op and no armor.
Yo.
Hopefully
I'm
they're
gonna
using
go
a sword.
Armor and
Or battle rifles, whatever they're called.
Listen,
I'm gonna chill mid and shoot some people. No, push right, push right.
Push right? Alright, copy.
Push right, you know.
992. 992, 3962. I'm shooting at nothing, aren't I?
Yeah.
No.
Are my toes gone?
no.
Like,
Oh,
Just
no.
no.
did you steal my toes?
Oh, nice GG, let's go.
Oh, nice headshot, Wax. That was very.
Okay.
You know what?
Okay, alright.
I'm tired of this
We
bullcrap.
can get them on this. We can get them on
When
this.
I say, okay, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Let's have at least one person on banana.
Okay, I'll go there.
I'm going there.
Okay, I'm gonna go left and cover apartments.
Banana.
Bomb in mid. Not down. Going through banana.
The banana's clear.
They're peeking at me.
That's why it's called banana. Because
Yeah.
it's in the formation of a banana. Oh god.
Exactly.
Wait,
It's a
headshot.
banana.
Yeah.
I've just like, I feel like I've just discovered something. Oh, I spent all my money on a shotgun and no armor.
Go camp banana.
You
You know that
assholes.
box? You know that box where you got us? You go get
I
that
tried to
box.
go there, but they all killed me.
You gotta find somewhere to hide, man. I'm going there.
Missed all 3, 4.
Okay.
They're going left. 3 of them in the apartment area.
Someone, dead body has bombs, so they don't have.
He's on crate in front. I'm shooting at him.
Watch out.
Push.
Stop firing.
Let's get it. Pick up good. Homie,
Flashbangs.
Hey, you do it.
Good.
That's how you do it.
Alright, Garrett.
Someone wants to take it?
Someone want
Yes,
this?
please.
Right here.
Do you want?
Can I take it? Anyone got an AK
Yeah.
before I buy something?
No.
Take it. I can just shotgun it like I did last round.
No, I'm backing you up there.
Yo, there's an AK.
See, I'm in competitive mode right now.
Over.
I am I'm dead ass.
I do not need that AK, but you know.
You don't need it? Alright. Give it here. Does someone need this AK?
Alright, I'll take it anyway. I'll take it anyway. Do you got an AK? Do you got a gun? Yo, do you got a gun? Do you want it? Okay. I'll just carry it then.
Alright, can you guys both go banana?
Yeah, I'm going banana.
Alright, I don't think they're going bananas. Just want to keep moving.
No! My gun was on semi!
Eagle
Yeah,
Grass
yeah,
is
yeah,
definitely
yeah.
carrying them.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
Come on, Cosmic, bro, you got this.
Even but and Ikea Meatballs aren't doing terrible. I'll give them that.
Cosmic.
Yeah, pretty much. You got
Good,
two highs to
bro.
lose.
Oh no.
Oh no.
God, that trade's good enough.
Oh, that was a good headshot though. That was a really nice.
Good.
I cannot wait for gore to be implemented in this version.
Yes, sir.
I need an AK. That's a perfect timing. I need an AK.
Quest, yeah.
I died.
Everyone buy their stuff because, you know, we're losing.
Whatever. I'm just gonna do it like what I did last 2 rounds ago.
Okay.
Alright, no.
If your strategy works, don't keep. If your strategy doesn't work, don't keep trying. That's the definition of insanity.
Well, that's what we're doing. So should we try something different?
You don't have to keep them just.
I think they're all banana.
It's alright. Thank you.
Can you confirm the visual?
Yeah.
Tracking bug.
Oh shit. You mean airsoft or?
Oh, no,
Tracking. No, I'm
I
blind.
can't believe how insane that quad feed is now that I've tried to do it.
I have mental issues.
Hopefully they remember to pick that right corner.
One on the right, one on the right.
I know we got Eagle. Well, everyone's left on our team except for me.
I planted the bomb.
My tracking.
Peek the other side.
I got one. That's fine by me.
When is
Did
it?
I get one?
Yeah, you got me. You got me.
With my shotgun.
If you go push, we'd win.
Hey,
If
I
you go
already
make a push. The trade. Get around, boys. My track.
Okay.
You have to remember to peek your corner.
I need a gun, and I only have 500, so it's either I rush in with a 5.7 or someone else buys me a gun.
I can get you
I
an
can
Uzi.
buy you a
You want an
shotgun.
Uzi?
Please do. I am good with those. Thank you. Good. I'm gonna go banana.
They said they're pushing hard, so. Apartments.
Okay.
I'm on the site right now.
There's none on banana.
They're in the apartments.
Alright, I'm moving down through mid.
Cosmic, where are you? I don't want to 1v3.
Easy dub. What the world?
I've got
What the world?
44% stuff should be done.
Oh, what?
Request.
I was behind the box. Internet bad. My internet
Got
bad.
this Eagle. Got this Eagle.
No, that's right when I went to run too.
There we go. GG.
Peace, boys.
Okay.
No, you better not be giving up. I will remove you.
Who?
Anyone.
Okay, do you need a gun?
I'm not giving up. No, I wouldn't give up. Right now, if I can afford any armor or weapon, I'd go in with
Do
a
not
goddamn
do not
911.
peek them. Just guard the sites.
Alright, let's go
Okay.
banana.
Yeah, do that. You go
Camping
to
is what we do.
banana. Yeah. Yo, come back to your grade site.
What are you doing?
Yo.
That's what I'm talking about. Do we have bomb down?
Yeah. I don't know.
Copy that. We have bomb.
Thank you.
That's what orbiting looks like, boys.
GG.
I didn't get the AK.
Whatever. It's whatever.
It's fine, we can afford things, I hope.
Just doesn't matter. Just focus on the game. Focus what you can buy on it. Just
If you can, buy pliers, because you may not know you might need to defuse real fast.
I don't have pliers. I can't afford them.
Here, have some.
Thanks. I don't know how to use them, but thanks.
You just go
And
to
just
the
press
wires
trigger on
and
them.
use the trigger.
Like,
Two on apartment. They're rushing apartments, I believe.
Okay.
Killed two.
Yeah, no, he's got higher ping than me. He just melts me in a single bullet from the M16.
No, I think we jinxed ourselves.
Eagle ground killed
I
us.
don't, yeah, maybe. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Same.
I
Whoa.
mean, even if
He's a mid, he's a mid.
we somehow lose this, there's still two other guys.
If we somehow win
Whoever
Eagle is getting a promotion. I will make every
Yeah.
job for him to get a promotion.
I'll just give
No. Eagle should be co-leader. Eagle should be co-leader. No offense.
Eagle
I'm
just
gonna
gets
kick
promoted
you
to
out,
co-leader.
Ikea, and I'm gonna give Eagle co-leader.
Yeah, no offense, IQ.
If Eagle wins this.
That's in
Retreat to
fact.
camp. Retreat to bomb sites.
F's,
My career.
F's.
So your career will literally end if you.
Wait a minute, where did the ball bear die? Oh,
Wait, what time is it?
He also got
are you at
melted.
yeah, I'm a banana.
Oh, it's only like
Oh my god.
10
Eagle,
something.
Eagle, if you can get the ninja. Oh no, we're out of time. GG.
Yeah.
You can't plant that fast.
Just move everyone in more
Not
deaths.
GG, good rounds. Good rounds.
But you
GRs.
can play that fast.
GRs.
Yeah, GR.
Yeah.
GR.
GR.
They stalled us, man. Alright, let's.
Where was he?
Where was he?
Not sure.
We actually might win this. We might actually win this.
Cocky.
I know. I'm not going to. They only have to win one round.
Everyone, buy pliers if you can.
Homie, I'm fully kitted.
No,
I'm
you
kind
need
of
a gun.
poor. I need the pliers. No, I didn't need a gun.
Here, I can get you pliers.
No, you're spending too much
I
money.
have 2 pairs of pliers now. Dual wielding pliers.
Yeah.
Got one low on the base banana.
Okay, I'm gonna go to banana.
It sounded like they were playing banana, they're throwing grenades and stuff.
Yep, banana.
Coming in behind.
Ah, that was rough. I need a medic
Oh,
bag.
thank you.
Oh no, Eagle, call him out. Wait, if he doesn't peek that. If he doesn't peek that. If he does this, that's. It's not Eagle going. Oh, that would have been amazing. That would have been such a good triple kill.
We wouldn't have known you were there unless you.
You wouldn't know. They just wouldn't know. Oh no! The orbital strike. Oh, no! Oh! GG! It's 10-8. Alright, cool.
Is that it?
No, we play 2 games.
Hold on. We got voted out. We gotta rotate this. Rotate this.
Finally, I'm in.
Yeah, I just like lost internet connection.
Give it a sec. See, told you.
Yeah, no kidding, we lost.
We didn't. We play like up to like 3 games.
No, I'm saying we lost the first round. Are we resetting or what are we doing?
Probably
Yeah,
just.
Reset in a sec.
No, wasn't there.
Are we gonna reset S&D or are we gonna change map?
He's gonna reset
Just
it.
2. Just 2 is our map.
As soon as that goes through, we will
Thank
be
you.
golden. Game start.
Thank you. Okay.
I need to change some settings.
Please be fast. I can try to cover A. You guys know the call outs on this map,
We
right?
green this.
There we go. Settings are calibrated.
Let's have at least one person watch mid, one person cover B. You don't have to watch mid the whole way.
You never know.
That's a good.
Oh.
You gotta run catwalk. Catwalk.
Hey.
They push cap. That's almost all of them.
Where's bomb plant?
That is all of them. I'm going for the defuse.
It's over
Here,
here.
I have players.
Yeah, I got it.
We got the
We're
right
about to
cunts.
lose.
I had players.
I don't know why you bought this. You know, it's a good thing. You never know.
Yeah.
Hey, what if you guys are all dead? What if you guys are all dead and I kill them all while the bomb's planted and I need to defuse quickly?
Yeah.
Do we have someone watching A? Because I can watch mid.
I'm gonna...
I'll watch A. I'll
I'm
watch
going
A.
B.
Okay, I'll watch mid for a little bit and then. Two went left, but they could be going to catwalk. I'll watch.
Okay. Are they hit you?
Let's go.
Bomb was dropped.
Okay. Keep it like that.
Very good call out. No kid. It's over there. I just saw him. They're both A. They're both A. Or B. They're up on that ridge.
They're not here.
They both.
You're fucking welcome.
Yeah.
Green toes on my
Is
feet are yummy. Eat yum yum.
This...
I already have.
Okay. Okay. Can we agree that the site to our right is called B? That
Yes.
one is A.
Yes,
Okay.
I played CS:GO.
I have not.
I'll watch A.
It's all. One mid.
B.
Means mid.
Is it B?
What are you doing, Nub? Nub, why are we looking over there?
Dude, I heard footsteps.
Armor.
Okay. After
I'm getting so many pings on Discord right now. I don't know why.
just throw your phone from the server.
What server? 'Cause I'm not.
I'm holding mid again.
Oh, Haby server. I don't know if you know who Haby is.
Yeah, I like KB. He's cool.
Yes.
Yo, someone watch A.
I just grow every time I glitch.
Voices of B.
You put me in water and I grow. I forget what those dogs are on the staircase.
B, 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 B.
Oh no!
Bomb was
There we go.
I got 10 minutes enough.
Oh,
Oh, the whole showdown happened. So we get carried by Eagles carrying us. Eagles gonna
Eagles
carry
too
us.
low. Yeah.
what do you mean?
Eagle's gonna die, man. What are you talking about? Eagle's gonna die.
Carry, alright, you guys don't know what you're talking about. He's gonna carry.
worst.
Eagle's gonna die. Cosmic is
Eagle's
gonna
gonna
like
carry.
fix all this.
Alright,
No,
is the
why
Eagles gonna
is
hit a
Eagle-
headshot?
Eagles
Why is
gonna
it-
carry.
Why is
No,
he
he's gonna die.
Yes.
Oh, he's an MP5. That's
Oh, by the way, we aren't getting 10 out. We won one. So, who's PayPal?
Who's PayPal? Wait, what does that mean?
Just forward it to my tab.
It's a joke.
Wait,
Well, you guys are getting
we're
paid?
not winning this.
The fuck, bro? We ain't even getting paid, bro.
None of us should get paid. Only Doge.
getting
Hey, I invested in Doge.
slave
I-
labor.
I invested in Dogecoin like a year ago.
Hey, watch Eagle carry this. Watch
How
him.
much money you got?
Watch him carry. Watch him carry.
Watch him die. Watch him
Because a year ago
die.
you put 1 cent and all of a sudden you're like, at least 1,000 I think.
I put in
Does
$3.
he know that
I put in
too?
$3. What do you
Does he know that
mean?
too? Does he not know
You should have
that?
You should have put in $1 for You should have put in $1 for
Oh,
fucking
no.
GameStop last year.
Alright, so this is the big thing. It's gonna happen right
Come
here.
on, Cosmic.
Alright,
Come on.
Eagle, we got this. Eagle, we got
Cosmic,
this.
no! Cosmic, no! Yes!
I told you he was gonna
Cosmic, how
Cosmic! They're getting paid, Cosmic! They're getting paid! I don't know, but they're saying, like, yeah, that they're gonna win, they're gonna be forwarding money to PayPals and stuff. They're getting paid in Cosmic.
If they win, I'm punishing them all. I'm removing the cards against the hour rule.
Voice is beacon, not sure how many.
Is it B?
Don't get dumb.
Going for my life, man. I can't hit a melon for my life. Uh-oh!
Well, I don't know what type of melon.
Oh!
Double kill! Double headshot kill!
Cosmic just doesn't rush. He knows how to play video games, alright? Cosmic,
Yeah,
Cosmic is
hey,
learning. He's evolving from his past misfortune.
Have you ever played Pavlov on PC?
I have once, but
Wow.
I didn't
If
know
not,
the
if
difference.
not, then your toes are mine. I'm cutting them off and stealing them.
Well, I didn't know what the difference was between them. This is whenever I first got into Pavlov.
Ah, the juke!
The difference is there's better textures,
No,
more
I know what the
lag,
difference is now. I
and
know what the difference. I know what
Oh
the
yeah,
difference
there's
is
way
now.
more lag on PC. That's why
I
I'm
know
here.
what-
I bought
I
the
know-
game on PC,
I know what the
and
difference
then I
is
refunded
now.
it and bought a
I
quest.
know what, oh my god.
Because
I
internet.
know what the difference. Fuck. I know what the difference is now. I didn't know whenever I first started playing it.
He gonna run out of time.
Anyways, Cosmic again.
Cosmic,
Don't
if
tell me
you
I'm
clutch
going
this, oh.
Yeah. I don't
Hey,
think
hey,
it's
hey,
gonna
I
go
hope
high.
you know, I hope you know
Welk
I
is looking
can't
the
team.
wrong way.
I hope you know,
Warm up, boy.
I literally hope you know that if we lose to you, we lose Cards versus Humanity.
That's game. That's
GG.
game. Game, more like game.
Cosmic!
What do you mean, Cosmic?
You can't,
Brain.
Cosmic! You cannot
Kill
punish
her.
us for that. You cannot punish us for that. That was merely on you. That was on you.
Okay, I'm covering A long this time. I can
Yeah, and I'm going over there.
You have to guard the site.
Yes, guard the site.
I'm gonna cover them coming in from mid. Could we have covering B?
Yep.
No.
I forgot to buy pliers.
I have pliers here, so I'm gonna bought it.
Yeah, they're
Cosmic, no. Yes, sir.
Next, alright. Go. You have a better weapon than me for headshot.
Played FTP, so I don't even know the magnitude of what you just said.
there's like these IKEA employees, but they're monsters, and like it's infinite, and you can't escape.
Okay, that's
Like,
not my
it's-
idea. Alright, we want to play to a much
I know
higher
you're talking
standard than that. I know.
It's called. Those calls are gonna be mine if we lose. Hope you know that. I'll cut them off. They're gonna be
Oh,
gone.
no, no.
Non-existent.
Okay, I'm covering A long.
I'm covering catwalk.
Okay, let's try to get someone covering B.
Yep, I'm at B.
Yeah, they're right.
Okay.
Information.
Give something watch B.
Oh my god.
Excuse me? Oh, two people. Okay, well,
Mental weapon site. I think where we went wrong.
Oh, there's.
okay,
No!
Mental, you can't leave this site. We knew they were going. We knew they were going A.
I'm sorry, but I'm kind of retarded. That's why my name is mental illness.
Just
If
learn
you
from
aren't
it.
ready,
That's all you
start
need.
trying.
I want my mommy.
Or what you- Catwalk, yeah,
Someone
keep it
cover
on.
A long.
I am. I'm covering. Are you?
Copy that.
Catwalk. One person coming in through.
Catwalk.
Yo, Joe, where are you? Oh, okay. There's an AK.
AK.
Okay.
Well, hey,
Danke.
Danke. Ey,
Danke,
bist
Sean.
du gut, ja?
Yeah.
Springen's you dick.
Look at your dick, Derek. Fuck you, Brennan.
No, Joe.
It's
Um,
I
his
hope Joe
headset
doesn't
died.
come back because if they doesn't come back, then we have to try again another time.
That
We'll have
works,
more
'cause his
preparation.
headset just died. He's not
We'll have
coming
more
back.
prep.
He's not coming back.
I'm not continuing because it's gonna be no contest. It's not gonna count. And what's the point of playing it if it's like we're going up against gods here?
And let's just hope that tireless rocker guy doesn't win.
Why? Why? You don't like tireless? What's wrong with tireless? Riley?
Yeah. No. If we all
Then they wouldn't win.
we would lose.
Well, we still won one game, and we're up this game, so that means we should win, right?
I guess this.
Because they forfeited when we was already winning this game.
Hello, gamer.
Thanks. Hello.
If
I think
this
his
match
headset-
ends in a draw,
Don't say anything yet. Don't say anything
I think
yet, so I can
his.
scratch my eye.
I think our other guy's headset died or something.
It's
Okay,
that just
that's-
ended the video.
you
That just
guys
ended the
wanna?
video.
Oh, I'm going
He's not
to.
gonna
Hold on,
come
I'm
back.
thinking about a memory.
This is a wrap, anyways. The guy left. No point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that means that this round is a draw.
Wait,
This game.
shit. Like, you don't have any weapons.
Alright, GG boys.
No. So it's over. Counts
It
no
counts as
contest.
draw. It's a draw.
All right, then I'm gonna go practice on PCVR.
Yeah, get your practicing because, you know, we had it every single game. We had it in the first, like, set of 3 rounds.
You wanna
Now we let
1v1?
them catch up.
You wanna go 1v1?
Well, I mean, it depends. I don't know.
Only if you want to. I don't really care if you don't. I'm gonna play PCVR and train.
Okay.
Either way, I'm gonna go do something.
Yeah.
Ooh, bomb.
So the way this works is we reschedule it.
It's a lot of magazines.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. I said the same thing. I won't be able to play tomorrow, so
There can only be one.
you deserve that. I can't. I expected more from you.
Huh? So
I
did I.
expected more from you.
No. Wait, it just said. Wait, what? This thing sucks. Nub, it's time to go home.
Okay.
Ah!